Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. If you look at this chart, I'm showing you 5 years chart where you can see that the crude price has made a low of at this particular range, and from there it has now continuously moving in an upside. Okay, this is the price which was in around 2011 to 2014, and from there it is continuously falling. Okay, look at this price. It is of 2015 where it has fallen to a level of 53 also, and from there it is moving in a particular range. Okay, from January 15th, if you calculate that, this is the range where it was moving in a particular range. Okay, but this is the particular thing which you have to understand here. Okay, that once this range is break upside, suppose if it crosses the level of 77, then we can expect that the price of crude will be moving in this particular range. Okay, so there is high chances that if this range is break upside, then we can expect that the price of crude can move in this particular range, which is at a range of around 74.88 to a range of around 111. Okay, so what we can expect here, if you look at this chart, we can see that the price of crude is currently at a level of 72.31. okay, and there is high chances that it can touch a level of 74.88 also if you look at 5 years chart, and from there is high chances that it can touch a level of 77 also. Okay, this is what in a range it is showing. Once this range is break, then we can expect that it will fall into a range of, after crossing a level of 74.33, then it will be in this particular range. Okay, which is around 111 to 75. So if I show you there was all time chart, if I show you 5 years chart, then you will understand here is that if this range is break, now what is in the particular range, now it is a particular it is moving at around 72.31, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 74.33, and from there it can touch a level of 74.88, and then from there it can touch a level of 76.54. okay, 76.54 is a crucial resistance. Okay, but as of now, if you look at this chart, 1 year chart, we can see that it is on the top. Okay, the price of crude is running and it's on its all-time high. Okay, so if we look at 5 years chart, then we can see that if this level is cross upside, so if it crosses the level of 72.76, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 74.38. okay, before touching a level of 73.57. Once 73.57 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 74.54, and from there it can touch a level of 75.36. Once 75.36 is touched, then we can expect a level of 75.52, and from there we can expect a level of 76.98. Once 76.98 is already tested once, so there is high chances that it can bounce back from this level. Okay, so there is high, if 75.36 is already tested here twice, so there is chances it can break this level and can touch a level of 76.65. okay, so what you have to understand, if you have any doubt regarding your crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail id I have given in the description, and please watch the full video. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, a link I have given in the description, and if you wish to support also, I have provided the things which you can give support. Okay, so once if it stays above this level, okay, 72 above a level of 72.67, then it can touch a level of 74.3, and which is already tested here twice. Then there is chances it can touch a level of 74.99, and then from there it can touch a level of 76 point or 77. okay, once 77 is touched, which is only tested once. okay, so there is chances that it can bounce back from this level. okay, but 75.23 is a strong support. okay, so if it crosses that level, then it can touch a 77, but 77 is a strong support which is tested only once, so there is chances it can bounce back. And suppose if it crosses this, there is chances you can book at this level profit, and suppose if it comes again down a little bit, 76, then you can book the other halves. Okay, but suppose if it crosses this level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 80 also. Okay, but it has to cross, stays above 77, then only we can expect that it can touch a level of 78. Okay, it can touch a level of 78.94, and from there it can touch a level of 79.87, that is around 80. Okay, so suppose if the price goes below a level of, and I've already told you in my previous video that I am only bullish on crude oil. Okay, and I'm telling you since 68 and 67 as of now. If you look at this price, if you watch my previous video, I have categorically told that please be on the bullish side, because we can see continuous in the rise in the price of crude. Okay, so suppose if it goes below a level of 69.25, okay, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 67.79. okay, and suppose if it goes below that level, then it can touch a level of 66.17. but what I am looking here is that 70.35 is a very strong support. Okay, and before that we can see a level of 71.28 is also a very strong support. Okay, suppose if it breaks this level 71.74, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 70.35, and once 70.35 is touched, then we can expect a level of 69.65. okay, and if that is also break downside, then we can see a level of 66.86. okay, see, suppose and I'm again telling you, suppose if it breaks a level of 71.51, then we can expect it can touch a level of 70.35. okay, and from there it can touch a level of 68.49. okay, but what I'm expecting that continuously 3 green candles are formed, so I'm bullish if it stays above a level of 71.28. okay, which can expect a target of around 75 also, 0.23, and it can touch a level of 76.85 also. okay, or if it goes below a level of 71.28, then I can expect that it can touch a level of 70.58, and from there it can touch a level of 69.88. getting me? okay, so suppose so I would expect that if it stays above 61.51, then you will be on the bullish side, and if it breaks this level, then if it goes below the 71.51, then we can expect a target of 70.12, and from there we can expect a target of 68.286 also. okay, but I am on the bullish side. okay, on the crude side, till the time it didn't cross a level of 71.25 for those positional or intraday traders. If it goes below 71.25, then the next support we can see at around 70.3, or if it goes below that level, then 69.7, and if it goes below that level, then we can expect a target of 68.85. okay, and upside I've already told you. If you have any doubt, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.